Hey everyone, this is just a quick tutorial video. If you have a Samsung oven, in particular one that's got the dual doors in the front, and you have an issue where the top oven door can open fine, but the whole oven will not open, despite the fact that the lock is not on, and turning the lock on and off does nothing. Here's a quick way to be able to get into the lower oven. So what you're going to do is you're going to click the top latch to open the upper oven door, and then right inside here on this latch right here, this is the locking mechanism for the lower door. So you're going to just push down on that little button, and then once you do, pull on it. It's a little hard to do one-handed, and then the whole oven door will open back up. Just a word of caution, if the oven is hot, so too will that little switch be hot. So use something like a, I don't know, either a pot holder, maybe a chopstick or something wooden that you'll be able to push down on that little button to be able to open the entirety of the oven door. Just a quick workaround if you too are suffering with a piece of crap Samsung oven.